It's your last chance to get a free Google Home Mini. Here's how to get one. Google is giving away its donut-sized smart speaker, Google Home Mini, for the last time this weekend. This is your last chance to get your hands on a free Google Home Mini. Google will once again be handing out free Google Home Mini smart speakers in a series of pop-up events across London. The limited-time promotion, which first launched on March 22, ends this bank holiday weekend, April 1. Since the diminutive AI-powered Google Home speaker is about the size of a donut, each of the US search company's pop-up store will feature two things: donuts and Google Home Minis. Visitors to the pop-up stores will have the chance to win either a Google Home Mini or donut. Google held a series of similar events across the United States last year, with people asking Google Home Mini a question and then receiving either two donuts or a free Google Home Mini to take away with them. According to a reader who won a free Google Home Mini from the pop-up stand, the chance of walking away with a shiny new smart speaker is about 1 in 3. Those who want to try their luck should head to Angel Central Shopping Centre between March 29 and April 1. John Lewis branches at either 300 Oxford Street or Westfield, London will also have a Google food truck with the same promotion. These will be available on either March 30 or March 31. Google Home Mini is the entry-level smart speaker in the range. The Amazon Echo rival is powered by the Google Assistant and is capable of answering a slew of general inquiries, set timers, add events to your calendar, get the latest news and weather, control smart home devices and order takeaways.